Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock people on Facebook. So let's say you have previously blocked somebody on Facebook and now you change your mind and decide you want to unblock them. Then scroll down and tap on this settings and privacy, and then just simply tap on this settings here. Now in settings, you have to scroll down until you see this section here, audience and visibility, and you can see this option here, blocking. You just have to tap on this blocking option, and if you are struggling to find it, what you can do is you can just simply tap on this search bar and simply search for this blocking, and now you will see all the persons you have blocked here. Then as you can see, we have all the people you blocked on Facebook. So to unblock, you just have to tap on this unblock button, and then you can see this option if you want to unblock it. So just simply tap on this unblock again, and that person is unblocked now. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.